In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to find Mashreq Swift code. So friends, all you have to do, go to this website wise.com/Swift code and then click on search by bank. After that, choose your United Arab Emirates. This is the country, and then for the bank, search for select a Mashreq Neo for the bank, guys. After that, guys, you should be selecting the exact city to find unique codes, and then click just find Swift code. This is how you can do, guys, and you have another method, guys, you can do. Go to the support team and you can contact the support team from here and ask him how I can find how write your email, guys. On the support team, write a simple message. For example, for example, subject, I want get Swift code of bank, and then write another message here. This is how you can do, guys. It is simple steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Subscribe to my